Hello, welcome. Well, you got to be a bit crazy to want to do this. Crazy, I got crazy for you. 8,700 square foot factory with 23-foot high ceilings and trying to make an art center, an art space. It's not an easy process, but lots of paint, lots of passion, and a big heart. Anything is possible. So if you want to go over and come and make an appointment or private message me, um, paintings are available for purchase. And, you know, thank you. Well, I don't know what else to say, but you just got to keep moving forward and keep pushing and keep painting and keep dreaming so yeah, live, love art, and thank you.